Okay guys, so today we're here at Excalibur on Las Vegas Strip. This is where we'll be staying past 5 nights, and I just want to give you a heads up as to what it's like to stay here. And you could walk around up the casino floor and stuff like that. Okay, let's have a look. This is the walking entrance to Excalibur. And one thing you'll notice about this hotel, it's a 3-star hotel. So it's maybe not the most amazing hotel on the strip, but it is very affordable and it is very, very nice in reality when you factor in the price. So you'll see stuff like this, the moving walkways aren't working and haven't been working for some time. But you do have a working tram always over Luxor and Mandalay Bay over the stretch. So it's not all bad. There's also pretty easy access over to New York, and MGM Grand via the bridges. Down here, right down below us, that's where Merlin used to come out during the shows in the past, and down beneath us here is where the dragon used to come out, and there was all water here, but that's all gone these days. We're coming up into the main entrance, coming up to Covellini and Sword in the Stone Bar right up ahead of us. Too popular enough places, although they both closed. And there's a sign that's Covellini saying over, so my bad. Sword in the Stone is definitely closed. And this is like the lobby area, the entrance area. So if you have a look up around you, see like cool castle theme. It really is beautiful. I know you are. Coming up here, you're going to see one of the most famous things on the strip. Well, in this part anyway. Dick's Last Resort. I think people generally love this place. It's like one of the places where you go, you get some food, and everybody insults you. On your left hand side, you're going to see the casino floor. That's pretty good as well. That was my performance on this trip, so I have no idea how the audio is coming out. If it's coming out terrible, I'll probably be doing voiceovers and stuff. Baja Fresh, we had there last night. Pretty good, pretty good. Halfway decent, quick Mexican food. We're gonna make a quick turn here off. There's Marianne at the tiki bar. Hang on. That's it. She was the first these things. Let's go up here, we're going to flop right through the center. Casino floor. See you. We're going to go up here and have a quick look around. Saturday. Up there you got all your table deals now on the left hand side. Right, slots all boundless. Big MD's war set here over here on the left. And you've got the center bar, the newest, well, second newest bar here after the Tiki bar. Right here in the middle. Which is actually a really nice bar. We had to drink there the first night. If we head down this way, we're down to the famous Starbucks at $12 coffee. In a place where a room can regularly cost you like $19. You do the math on that. $12 coffee, $19 for. Obviously, that does mean fees. You got the sports book over here on my left. It's pretty big, pretty impressive. I've never actually been in there. I'm just not that much into live sports. You went to further spots. Down here. Just see Christmas decorations. There's that famous Starbucks I was talking about. word of advice, never ever go in those shops. There are no prices, and that's for a reason. As you can see, you can get down T-Mobile Arena, car park, self-parking, all that stuff in here. Go have a look outside. Anyone who knows that there is a big bus stop at this resort. Because I feel that this is one of the better shots of Excalibur that you're not really going to see from the strip side. A lot of people never see it from this side. This is the entrance with like the roundabout and Excalibur on the name and such. It really is one of the better views of Excalibur, and almost nobody gets to see it. So guys, like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of this content, and I really appreciate it, so please do. Really love the theming, stained glass windows and stuff, really cool. I don't know why Vegas is after getting rid of that or trying to get rid of all the theming. It's what made me want to come here as an Irish person. See something a bit different, you know? On the left there you got sports book bar, which is saying watch quite heavily. There's supposed to be some good game on. Oh, let me see here on this stroll. I think this is what I deserve. So this is the time I said, guys, please give the video a like, please subscribe to the channel, we really appreciate it. Like this place gets a bad but it's pretty awesome. Kind of like my channel. You got Cap Sports Bar here. Again, that's busy bit. Busiest I've ever seen the north myself. Something back up here. Yes. Where they wave us all around. Kind of going back, seeing us for a little bit here. We're gonna head down to Warren Street Boys.
I'll find something by it.
So this is down towards the Royal Tower. It's slowed because it's served with forest bars and down there, and so with Johnny Rockets.
What?
This is the right chair pickup. You're gonna meet them a lot. A lot. I think I took about 10 Ubers a day, so be aware that that is going to have to be factored into your costs towards your base. So that's it. I'm not going to go any further. It's just right down there. The Royal Tower and the right chair area. This is also a dog friendly for dogs. We have some lots of dogs here and they're really good. Over here on the left, given a check-in area, lobby bar. Haven't been to the lobby bar. Check-in area is like all kiosks. There are very few people to check you in. Kiosk, kiosk. And that's kind of how that goes. If you're looking around here, you're going to see it. There's lots of games. It's no shortcut games. Play all your favorites. Huff and Puff. The Dublin with the pigs, I can never pick a name, but just what I play the most. I can never do the names on. So, I don't hear not more there. Traps, yeah. Gaming tables, electronic gaming tables. Hey guys, so here we are outside of New York on the Las Vegas Strip, right here by the fake Brooklyn Bridge. This is a pretty awesome place, and I'm gonna take you inside to have a look around the Greenwich Village streets area, which is where they have all the little fake New York shops and delicatessens and stuff like that. So let's go in and take a look around. One thing I really love about this hotel is that the theming is still quite strong here compared to a lot of the others. There's no tiki bars or anything like that I know of, compared to Excalibur, which is tiki bar centric. I love the handles on these doors, even the automatic doors in black, like this Lady of Liberty watch handles, which are pretty cool. So we're going to enter here just to invite Tom to watch our and the big mascot for the Las Vegas Golden Knights over here. Just teeny. Watch out as we go through. This place is quite busy. Go bite. Take a look around you. You'll be able to see all the famous street signs like Broadway, Davila Way, and stuff like that here. We'll come down here at Greenberg's Delis and watch to be. It's supposed to be really nice, kind of like Cats and Ellie sort of situation. Got me a food places here on the right hand side. Broadway area. So this is where the Mad Apple show is held. So if you're looking at a Mad Apple show at New York, you know, this end, Mad Apple show was just down here for these guys. Come up here. And here again, yes, this is supposed to be the Broadway area. Complete with Pop Thomas. It's a quieter area this time of day, but much busier when shows are on. Got like little fake shops and stuff for it, just Red American Masquerade on the left to your big shop. If you come up this way, you see the Rene, Sarico's Pizza. Really cool here. I really get the good vibe. It's like this street vibe, even though the arcade inside
Right, inside.
Really.
Your car.
Yeah, the Barrett Pine Square here on my left side. Not much happening there at the moment, but I imagine it's quite a place of bar a lot of the time. Turn here and get one. And then you got the Broadway shot. Again, it was over those kind of rip-off places between it. Back to Salico's on the right hand side here. Gallagher's Bar on my left side there. You sure that's also a steak. Pretty good well it helps. There's one down here it is. Right here on my left, come with the entrance to the arcade area, which is where you're going to get the roller coaster for it. Those are the tracks that are running into the building. So that's the streets of New York, Village streets. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Thanks for watching. If you liked, like and subscribe to the video. We'd love to see you live. Thank you.